Hey folks, today we're going to be talking about the 293 rear lounge by Freedom Express. One of the things I like about this trailer, and it has power stabilizers on the front end and for the whole trailer. So you got your up and down right here, so you don't have to crank on this one. Come around to the side, you got these lights that's recessed in, so you don't have to worry about water getting inside of there and rotting out the trailer. But this trailer has ASDL, and I'll tell you about that later. Come around here. If you look inside here, you have a lot of enclosed underbelly. Comes with there's a light inside of there. Pretty nice. Follow me around here. Now this one has two slides, and I'll show you why. The solid steps right here, which is awesome. Adds a little bit of stability to it. This trailer weighs about 8,000 pounds. So as you come in, you see this big living room right here. So you got the big dinette set right here that could sit at least 5 or 6 people. Lots of room. The table is movable, so you can move the table around. Then you have these two awesome recliner chairs right here that I really like. And then you have your couch over here, and then you have your kitchenette. So in this kitchen, you have a little pantry right here with shelving and drawers. And then you also have this nice size fridge for storing all your goodies. You have stainless steel on the fridge, the stove, 3 burners, and you got more storage right down here. Now, you have your entertainment right here. You have your fireplace. You have your TV, which is a smart TV, and you have your stereo, which is Bluetooth. Well, not Bluetooth, it's a DVD player, but you can play speakers inside and outside on this trailer. Now, the benefit to the heater is it'll warm it up in here without using propane, so that's pretty nice. So if you come around here, you have more storage, a hanging closet for coats and stuff like that, and a couple drawers too. Now, this is awesome. Check this out. The bathroom. You have a nice sized bathroom with space in there to store all your good stuff. Now this bed, actually this trailer has 3 slides. It has this slide on the bed to give you all this walk around room. As you can see, you have an entrance to the bathroom right here. Jack and Jill doors, that's what they call them. And then you have all this storage right here. This is what people love when they buy this type of trailer. Have plenty storage and everything like that. So let's go outside and I'll show you some more outside and tell you about that ASDL. So you have an awning right there, and you have an awning right here, okay? You have your refrigerator and a Coachmen grill right here, okay? Now ASDL. ASDL is what the walls are made of. It's a composite. ASDL does not mold, does not crack, and it's 50% lighter than wood. ASDL also is 30% warmer than the traditional trailers. So give us a call and ask me about that. My name is Anthony. You can reach me at 541-653-2818. Thanks.